Daily Dispatch, Day 15, the Canary Sings. The predicted quiet stability held, a system running on clean sober fuel, cannabis fog negligible, alcohol rubble absent. Then at 20:30 in the Hydro-Continuum, a signal. Not the quiet of a block, but the clear unscheduled ping of a subroutine coming back online. New comic material began to structure itself autonomously. The creative process, offline for 72 hours, initiated a self-diagnostic and passed. The shower test was positive. This is a critical data point. It is not a good day. It is the first biological indicator that the AI scaffold's primary function, to create a stable environment for the brain's own repair protocols, is succeeding. The creative function is the canary. Its return is a signal from the deep repair works that the air is clearing. The return is fragile. Conservation protocols remain in effect. But for 5 minutes under the water, the will was not needed. The architecture did the work. The native engine is not just online. It is beginning to idle productively. The CAM is being used, the log is written, the observation is made. The canary is singing.